Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Hey friends, welcome back to SJ's Funhouse. Today we're making a rich, chocolatey twist on the Tres Leches Cake. And listen, this one is a little different. Instead of traditional Tres Leches, we're using coconut milk and oat milk for our milk mixture. Still rich, still milky, still delicious. Everything you need is right here. So, let's get into it. First things first, let's make our cake batter. We're going to sift our flour. And our sugar. Our cocoa powder. And we can use our spatula to press that cocoa powder into the sifter and get it all into the bowl. Our salt. Baking powder, and baking soda. Give that a good mix. Once that's all mixed in, set it aside and we'll prepare our wet ingredients. Add your buttermilk to a bowl. Along with your oil and melted butter mixture. Add the vanilla. And mix that up until it's all combined. Now crack in your eggs and whisk everything together. Now that this is all incorporated, let's get ready to pour this mixture into our dry mixture. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients while whisking. And now, time for my favorite whisk, my Old Faithful. Really mix that batter up good. Next up is the strong coffee. Add half first and mix slowly until combined. Then pour in the rest and continue whisking until smooth. Use a spatula to scrape the bottom of the bowl because hidden flour pockets love to hide down there. Give it a final mix. And that batter is ready. Butter your baking dish. Mine is an 11 by 11. Pour the batter in. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 30 minutes. Into the oven it goes. Now while that cake bakes, let's make our chocolate Tres Leches mixture. In a bowl, add your oat milk, evaporated coconut milk, sweetened condensed coconut milk, and cocoa powder. Whisk everything together until the cocoa is fully blended in. Then, strain the mixture into another bowl so it's nice and smooth. Now, our cake should be done. Once the cake cools from hot to warm, grab a straw or skewer and poke holes all over the cake. And don't be shy now. We want that milk mixture soaking all the way through. So poke those holes. Now, slowly pour that chocolate Tres Leches mixture right over the cake. Once all that goodness is poured over, refrigerate the cake for 2 hours. About 10 minutes before the cake is ready, let's make the icing. I'm going to use an electric mixer for this part. In a bowl, add softened butter and powdered sugar, and mix together. Slowly pour in your oat milk. Now add the cocoa powder and blend again. Add your vanilla. And baby, look at this. This whipped icing is delicious. Now, remove the cake from the fridge and spread that icing all over the top. You can make a design, or you can just spread it evenly over the top. Once that icing is on there, I crushed some chocolate cookies off camera for a little extra crunch and texture because why not? Sprinkle those on top. Let me tell you something right now. Half this pan was gone before I even finished filming the taste test. This is the kind of cake that's gonna have people asking, okay, who made this? And voila. Let's give it a taste. Delicious, decadent, rich chocolatey cake, creamy chocolate tres leches with a hint of coconut, and that soft melt in your mouth texture. Yeah, this one is dangerous. And this one is mine. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and made with love. This is SJ's Funhouse at the Flavor House. Follow for more because we are not done yet. It's SJ's Funhouse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.